Hello and welcome back. Today I will be reviewing and testing the collection Skin Note by DJEL. Now this is their fall and winter collection from their signature line, and this collection has 10 beautiful pastel nudes. This is the first time that I am trying out DJEL's signature collection. I do, however, use their paint gels and love them so much that I wanted to try out their signature collection, but I didn't want to try out the whole entire collection. So this collection is good to start off. If you don't know, a lot of times with pastel nudes, it can be very hard to polish them on due to them being super streaky. But I will say that as I was using and swatching this collection, I didn't see any of it, and it self-leveled really well. I still think you will need to do 2 coats on this just to make sure that the color comes out even though 1 coat is enough. Today I will do a quick tutorial on how well this collection performs and create a nail design to see how it can handle creating design or nail art. So I started off with color 111 and created a swirl shape and filled it in. With this color, I noticed that I didn't need to go in with a second coat, so I left it alone and just started off with the next color. I then started with color 120, and I felt like as I was drawing the shape, I needed to do 2 coats to get a smoother effect. So that is what I did. You'll just see me do 1 coat, but off camera, I did go in again with the second coat. The next color, I did go ahead and put 2 coats on it just because it didn't look as smooth or even. So I did do that with the next color as well. Okay, so as I was drawing the leaf with color 112, it was so nice. It laid down so beautifully and smooth that I didn't need to do 2 coats. I only did 1, and I would say that if you are doing a full coverage color on top of the nail, yes, I would go in with 2 coats instead of 1. But this beautiful white color, more like an off-white color, came out really beautifully, drew really nice and smooth, and I really actually liked it a lot. Alright, so here's my thought on this collection. I love it! The consistency of it doesn't feel like your potted gels, and it doesn't feel thick like some Korean gels that I tried. I would say it almost feels like a real polish, and it glides on really smooth. It works great for nail art and won't slide as you draw, so it gets my approval. Now, would you invest in this collection? I hope that you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!